Display: Redmi phones often feature high-resolution displays with good color accuracy and brightness. Performance: they are powered by powerful processors and come with ample RAM, which allows for smooth multitasking and gaming. Camera: Redmi phones have a good camera performance, with multiple rear and front-facing cameras that can capture high-quality photos and videos. Battery: Redmi phones have long-lasting battery life, which allows you to use your phone for extended periods without needing to charge. Durability: Redmi phones are built with quality materials and are designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. Design: Redmi phones are sleek and stylish with a variety of color options. Software: they come with MIUI, Redmi's own user interface, which is known for its clean and easy-to-use design. Price: Redmi phones offer great value for money, with a wide range of models to choose from at different price points. Thanks for watching. Link is bio to buy product.